Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new, please subscribe, hit the like button, and please press the notification bell so anytime I drop a new video you'll be here to vibe with me. And to my returning subscribers, it has been a very long time since I posted my last video, and yeah, I've been sick. I've not been feeling well, that's why I've not been posting. So yeah, I'm back and better, and yeah, I'm going to try my possible best to be more consistent. And okay, so today we are going to be preparing some little lunch for myself to eat. So I'm going to be making gari, so please stay tuned, and yeah, please enjoy. So guys, one thing about content creating is that when you set your phone, your camera, or whatever you are using to record your video, and you don't even know how it's recording. Me personally, I'm using my phone to always record my video. So when I set my camera, I normally use the back camera to record. So when I set my camera, I don't even know whether it's recording me full, half, or whatever. I don't know till I go back to check. So that was how the first part of the video was, till I go back to check. Then I had to adjust my phone for the full to record me in full. So just bear with me and please enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. So with the oil, I don't like too much oil. That was why I added a little bit. And this is homemade peanut butter. I'm going to be adding a little bit to it. It is optional. If you want add, if you don't want, you can leave it. But in case you want peanut butter, just contact me. I'll do some for you with a cost. Then you pay me. So yeah, I'm about to enjoy my food. This is my lunch I'm eating. I just woke up and I was hungry. I was sleeping the whole day and I didn't know what to eat. And I'm like, let me make gari and record. That was why I came up with this video. So yeah, you are all invited. Stay tuned. This is gari mukbang, so stay tuned and enjoy. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new, please subscribe, and to my returning subscribers, stay tuned and I'll be back with more videos. Stay blessed and I'll be back.